All right, this is the elevator here at Plaza in Monterrey, Mexico. We have a KONE from 2013. So yeah, here it comes. So here it is. And so yeah, got the basic cab. We have card here, so we're gonna go up to one. I really like that lighting. Let's look out here. Here at 2. Down the parking level. Also S. There's Superoma. It's true, it's a really foggy day here in Monterrey. Right there is Cicada, where we filmed the brilliant elevators there. We're at the parking level. Alright, let's go for another ride. So this is a KONE Ecodisc installed in 2013. So yeah, 10 years later, and we are doing, this is a retake of these elevators in a better format. So here at 2 again. So alright, down to the park PV, we're gonna end it there. So this is your nice KONE Ecodisc elevator. Here are your fixtures, and there's the indicator, and here at PV. Right there's your man-powered elevator. So there's your fire extinguisher right there. So alright, there it goes. And that's it.